Hello friends, good morning all of you. Here I am Gadekar Sachin Pandit. Today we are going to learn about what are alkaloid. Okay. So last lecture we are discuss a terpenoids. Okay. So terpenoids in which we discuss a citral molecule. Okay. What are citral molecule? Citral belongs to acyclic or open chain monoterpenoids. Okay, so in this citral molecule contain two isoprene units and one aldehyde groups. Okay, so one isoprene C5OH8. So these two isoprene units are present in citral molecule, and this citral occurs in lemon grass oil. Okay, so it is isolate from the lemongrass oil in the form of sodium bisulfate, and this hydrolysis to give a citral, and its property is colorless oil, and its boiling point is 228 degrees centigrade. Okay, and it is optically inactive. Citral molecules is optically inactive. It means it is achiral. Okay, no chiral molecules, and its use a perfume industry as well as cosmetic as well as making beauty soap. Okay, so this is the application of citral. Then we are discuss a structure determination of citral. So in this structure determination purpose, we use molecular formula, detection of unsaturation, nitrogen of nature of oxygen, position of aldehydic groups, carbon skeleton in citral molecule, as well as oxidative degradation, etc. We are discussed in last lecture. Also discuss a synthesis of citral by using Barbier and Boholt synthesis. So today we are discuss a what are alkaloids. Okay, so this is the N-methyl palliterine. Okay, N-methyl palliterine. So these N-methyl palliterine alkaloids are present in pomegranate plant. Okay, root plant. Okay, so first of all, what are alkaloid? Okay, alkaloid is a group of organic base of plant origin which contain at least one nitrogen atom present. All alkaloids are having marked physiological actions such as toxic in nature. Okay, toxic on living organism. Okay, these compounds being similar to alkaline in their basic nature, so we call a alkaloids. Okay, so this suppose palliterine, isopalliterine, and N-methyl palliterine, these alkaloids are present or are found in pomegranate plant root leaves, etc. But N-methyl palliterine is found in root of pomegranate plant. Okay, so N-methyl palliterine alkaloid has been used for treat with tapeworm infection. Okay, so these alkaloid use has been used for treat tapeworm infection. Okay, so this is the different types of alkaloids are present in different plant origin. So here one of the most important example. Next, alkaline or alkaline organic compounds containing one or more nitrogen atoms are present in alkaloid. Alkaloid containing plants have been used by humans since ancient times, which therapeutic and pharmacological purposes. What are chemical units in alkaloids and terpenoids? Okay, so last lecture we are discussed on terpenoids. Terpenoids consist a isoprene unit. Its molecular formula is C5H8En times. Okay, here head and tail. These isoprene units connect to each other head to tail. Okay, so this linkage is called terpenoids. And alkaloid contain at least one nitrogen atom. Here we example quinoline or isoquinoline, etc. There are different types of alkaloid containing different compounds, but at least one nitrogen atoms are present. There are two types of alkaloids. Okay, so first is the non-heterocyclic and heterocyclic alkaloid. Non-heterocyclic, it is proto-alkaloids or biological amines, means non-heterocyclic chain or linear types of alkaloids are also present, but in heterocyclic alkaloids in a ring structure. Okay, so 1804 S. Fendrich, first a German scientist, was the first isolate of alkaloids such as morphine from opium, morphine from opium, such as afu. Okay. Important of alkaloids. Alkaloids are more important because of they have valuable biochemical, pharmacological and medicinal effect. Okay, so on the whole alkaloids are very poisonous, but if taken a small amount it act as a medicine, such as nicotine, morphine, quinine. Quinine used for malaria, morphine used for sleeping purpose, etc. So occurrence. It occurs in leaves, root, brakes, seeds and fruits of plant. So it does not occur in free state, but it present their salt, such as oxalic salt, citric acid salt, tartaric salt, malic acid salt, okay, etc. They are not found in free state. Opium contain near about 20 different types of alkaloids are present. Opium, okay, afu, such as morphine. It is example of morphine. Here extraction of alkaloid. Okay, so there are few steps are present for synthesis or extraction of alkaloid. First, powder plant material extracted with pet ether, petroleum ether. Okay, so then alkaloid contain a hydrocarbon, they dissolve in pet ether. So residue, collect residue and ether part rejected because ether containing a non-polar components are dissolved. So residue content alkaloid. So residue extracted with methyl alcohol. Then this methyl alcohol part contain alkaloid and other residues are rejected. Means alkaloid dissolve or alkaloid miscible in methyl alcohol part because it polar in nature. Then methyl distill off to remove methyl alcohol. Then crude plant extract are formed. These plant extract we add dilute HCl and maintain pH near about 2. Then extracted with ethyl or chloroform, means non-polar. Again this non-polar part dissolve in ether and they reject. Okay, so we add a dilute HCl, it contain water, means alkaloid are soluble in water, contains alkaloid. Okay, so then these wash with sodium carbonate or sodium hydroxide, then extracted with ether or chloroform. So ether containing alkaloid, okay, and aqueous part rejected. Why? Because ether soluble part present in alkaloid, because we treat with sodium carbonate. Okay, so that's why convert phase. So these ether soluble part evaporate ether and then residue content alkaloid, content mixture of alkaloid, and then they are extracted. First, powder form of powdered plant material extracted with pet ether, washed with pet ether, then pet ether rejected and residue collect. These residue we add a methyl alcohol. Okay, so methyl alcohol contain alkaloid and reject residue. Okay, so then methyl alcohol evaporate to forms a crude plant extract. These plant extract will dilute HCl and maintain 2 pH. Then ether part is rejected and water soluble part contain alkaloid. Then these water soluble part we wash with sodium carbonate or sodium hydroxide. Then aqueous part reject and collect the ether part, and these ether evaporate to collect the alkaloid. Okay, so this is the extraction method. Next, general property of alkaloid. Okay, alkaloids are colorless, crystalline and non-volatile solid. They are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvent like ether, chloroform, but alcohol, but quinine and nicotine are water soluble. This is the two more water soluble alkaloid, such as quinine and nicotine are water soluble. Most of the optically active, okay, they are buffer test, and being basic in nature, they dissolve in acid forming their salt. Okay, that may be radially crystallized. So here some alkaloids and their source and uses. Type of alkaloid, formula, source and properties. Some alkaloids are given. Okay, ephedrine, ricinin, conine, piperine, nicotine and atropine. Okay, so this is the type of alkaloid and given its molecular formula. Okay, so its source are also given and properties and use. Suppose example, ricinin, its molecular formula is ricinin alkaloid, its molecular formula is C8H8N2O2 and its source is castor bean seed. Okay, we call a erundi. Okay, it's our ruler name. And its property, it's less toxic than other alkaloid. Okay, resinine collect from castor bean seeds such as erundi, and its property less toxic than other alkaloid. Okay, so this is the type of alkaloids and their source as well as its property. So one more example of alkaloids: conine, quinine, papaverine, morphine, etc. Okay, so their source, molecular formula and its property are given in this table. So if any queries, then comment on me. If any question, then ask me. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Next lecture we are discuss a ephedrine alkaloid molecule. Okay, so its structural determination also we are discuss in next lecture. Okay, so Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.